From a tree, where did you go?
To another tree.
To another tree?
To the left.
Oh.
Over and off, over and off.
Over and over.
And eventually down.
You come on.
I was trying to fix myself.
Ice?
No,
Then we gotta land on a box. On a small
so where am I hitting the tree?
No.
I'm not want to hit my husband now.
Well, you better hit him more than hit the tree.
Yeah, at least something will stop you then.
Yeah. You ready?
Can I just kind of step on?
Yeah, sure.
I didn't see that.
Yep.
Almost there. Let me just go to that. Your favorite.
Hey, as long as somebody gets my fat ass in and out of that tube, I'm a good one. I love it when I get in there.
It's easy getting in and getting out. That's the hard part.
Oh, right. I had to jump on the other one. He's like, jump! I said, go jump. Be able to cool off. Take your time with her on you. She doesn't trust you on you. You trust me.
Yep. And you left her back. You stayed back here instead of with her, huh?
Yeah, I don't want to get on that platform until everybody's gone.
You notice I'm over here?
You don't like it either, huh?
There you go. You ready?
Nope.
You're not ready?
He says, I want to wait till a couple more people go too.
He's good to go. He's ready for you.
Hey, Jeremy's gonna love this platform.
No,
No, I already said that.
he's already crying.
Hey, Randy, get off your knees.
Oh man, I'm not gonna make it.
You're going to make it.
I'm gonna make it. Have no choice, right?
Right.
Insane.
Good to go, my friend. Hey, come on, man. Gotta be.
Hey, that's your own fault for standing there.
You got me.
I'm good.
Go that way.
You got a duck over here.
I know.
Okay.
Just get out the goddamn way.
I can't. There's somebody there.
Does it look like it's facing you? Facing downward a little bit?
It's facing backwards.
It's gotta be shitting me.
No, both screens is backward. No, I guess that's right. One big screen in the back.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's right.
Is it facing downward though?
No, it's facing straight.
Well, I kind of wanted it down a little. Holy shit.
It was good.
Wait, don't come. Wait. There's no room.
That was a big step.
I'm just curious, what's the weight limit of this thing?
What's the what?
The weight limit of what we're standing on.
I don't know. That's what I told him. I don't want to be on here until a few people.
All right, you can come around now.
Nobody dies here, alright? You might fall in love and that's it.
Oh,
Cool.
Oh shit.
It's coming! Go.
Ready?
Sit, boo boo, sit.
Huh?
Sit, boo boo, sit.
Well, you can say that, I can't.
the only way to do it, Jeremy, is look down.
That's the best part, look down. Because there ain't nothing you can do about it.
Not from him.
Whoop!
Holy shit. What was I
No,
thinking?
don't shit today. It's my day to wash your highness, alright?
Ready?
Whoop!
That would figure you'd leave me hanging.
Hey, watch your step right there.
I know.
Yeah, I know, right?
Zip, pull up! Zip! Watch your step. Zip, pull up, zip! You don't want to stop?